Next Level Mindset with another powerful and positive video. And today I am taking a Waymo for the first time. And the sixth powerful lesson to learn from my Waymo driver is that I can navigate around the hate. Gotta navigate around that hate. I know you've seen the videos of different people, destroying the Waymos, honking at them, or blocking them, trying to do different things. I know you've seen that. And but you just gotta navigate around. Waymo navigates around that hate. It don't matter, navigate. And so that's one thing that I want to encourage you. No matter who's hating on you, no matter what you're doing in life, you've got to learn to navigate around that hate. You know what I'm saying? You just got to make it do what it do. This is an interesting experience. I'm not sure why Waymo is slowing down right here. Not something that I would do in this little section, but yeah, navigate around the hate. All right, that's the sixth powerful lesson that I've learned from my Waymo driver, is that no matter what people do, no matter what, they're not gonna like you. People don't like me right now for taking the Waymo, right? You got to navigate around that hate. Simple and plain. If you're new to my channel, I always take real life events and I turn them into spiritual lessons so that we can go to the next level. It's coming. You might as well get ready for it. You might as well be ready for it. You might as well get on with it. And there is my Waymo taking on off, enjoying the scenery just like that. Now there may be another video that pops up on the screen with some powerful lessons of life. Hit that. Check that out right now. Stay blessed. Stay positive. Till next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.